Totoo ba yun? Subukan namin para makita nyo.
Hi guys! So meron na naman tayong new item dito.
I'm really hoping na gumana siya guys. So tara, subukan natin.
Okay guys, so medyo excited ako dito sa product na to kasi sabi, or nakita ko dun sa video, kapag daw pinunas dito sa salamin ng kotse, dire-diretso lang yung bagsak ng tubig pag umuulan. So ang laking tulong nun para sa ating mga drivers. Makikita natin yung vision na hindi obstructed, no? Kasi syempre pag malakas yung ulan, ang hirap makakita, di ba, naging zero visibility. So excited ako dito sa product na to. Try natin.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
So guys, ito yung pinunasan ko. Itong sumunod dito hindi na, pero pareho lang guys, oh. Makapit pa rin yung tubig.
So guys, siguro alam niyo naman na yung verdict namin kasi nakita niyo naman, no? Pinahid na namin siya doon. Ang tagal ko nang kiniskis doon sa windshield ko, pero ano nangyari? I was really hoping nagagana siya kasi laking tulong na ito para sa mga drivers eh. Kaso, hindi siya gumana guys. So para sa amin, guys, thank you sa panonood. Hindi na namin kayo pahihirapan. I'm sure mag-PPM kayo kung saan namin nabili. So lahat ng products na nasa buy list namin is nasa bio namin. Thank you!